we spent some days on the big ice recording some very unique sound. The new thing is the recording the sound of the ice. It's so much to discover. There's so many things we need to learn because they're hiding some information that comes from very deep. The air bubble is ancient, so imagine 4,000 years ago is cut by snowstorm and push it down and created water in the eye. I hope because you record some 24 hours a day and some couple days, maybe you will get something. Where I brought you up there is a very special place because from deepest part of the Greenland bottom of the ice. This is not the regular surface, but where I bring you is we call Isungub Summit, that's meant the Connaught Glacier. When the ice talking and singing and doing some other kind of big movement, create so much sound and they make an echo to the space and down again. Sometimes they create it scary. It's very unique and very special.